Every journey begins at the harvest, where raw bamboo meets human care.
From field to facility, timing preserves freshness.
Inside, precision and scale take over.
Cleaning begins the moment bamboo shoots enter the line.
Soil and residue are removed without damaging texture. Only uniform bamboo shoots move forward. Precision transforms raw shoots into perfectly diced pieces. Controlled heat turns bamboo salt into a culinary masterpiece. Automation ensures consistency, speed, and safety.
Every batch is rigorously tested before it reaches you.
Packaging locks in freshness and quality for the journey ahead.
Storage and logistics prepare products for global delivery. From harvest to your table, this is the journey of diced bamboo shoots and refined bamboo salt. This journey begins where bamboo shoots grow strong in open American soil. Each bamboo shoot is harvested by hand to protect its natural quality.
Only selected shoots move forward to become gourmet superfoods.
Bamboo itself becomes the vessel for mineral-rich salt. Pure sea salt arrives, ready for transformation. Salt and bamboo unite at the very first step.
Sealing prepares bamboo salt for its intense roasting journey.
Pure sea salt arrives, ready for transformation. Every transfer point is planned to protect quality.
Bamboo salt demands stability before heat ever begins.
Bamboo salt demands stability before heat ever begins.
Time and temperature matter from the first mile.
Distance is measured in consistency, not miles.
From open land to controlled space. This is where industrial precision takes over. Handling stays gentle, even at speed.
Inside these walls, raw bamboo becomes a refined superfood.
Every arrival is logged, timed, and controlled.
Quality checks begin before processing ever starts.
Clean processing starts with clean people. 2 products, 1 controlled environment.
Each path is designed for its own transformation.
Preparation sets the pace for precision. For bamboo salt, heat is the defining force.
Cleaning begins the moment bamboo shoots
bamboo shoots enter the line.
Soil and residue are removed without damaging texture. Only uniform bamboo shoots move forward.
Consistent size ensures even processing.
Excess moisture is removed before peeling begins.
Even the bamboo shell is carefully prepared.
Only perfectly sealed tubes move to roasting. Preparation is complete. Transformation comes next.
Automation removes the outer layers with consistent precision.
The goal is clean removal without damaging the core.
Uniform cuts ensure even cooking and texture. A final rinse preserves clarity and flavor. For bamboo salt, controlled heat drives transformation.
Roasting begins at carefully measured temperatures.
Every cycle is tracked down to the minute. Core processing sets the foundation for final quality.
Heat stabilizes texture and color in bamboo shoots.
Fast cooling locks in quality. Moisture control prepares shoots for packaging. Repeated roasting transforms salt at a molecular level.
Cooling stabilizes the newly formed bamboo salt.
The bamboo shell gives way to the finished core. Texture is refined for culinary use. Transformation complete. Precision takes over.
Automation keeps diced bamboo shoots and refined bamboo salt moving in perfect rhythm.
Vision systems verify every cut of diced bamboo shoots. Refined bamboo salt is measured before it's ever touched.
Robotics reduce handling while increasing consistency.
Uniform grain size defines refined bamboo salt quality.
Data guides every movement of diced bamboo shoots and refined bamboo salt.
Nothing moves forward unless it meets standards. Automation hands off to final refinement. Every diced bamboo shoot is guided precisely toward finishing. Refined bamboo salt moves with exact precision for the next stage. Exact portions guarantee consistency in every tray of diced bamboo shoots. Every jar of refined bamboo salt meets precise weight standards. Trained eyes catch what machines might miss.
Every jar of refined bamboo salt passes a final visual quality check.
Multiple lines converge seamlessly for efficient packaging.
Converged lines of refined bamboo salt move forward, ready for final packaging.
Quality control begins with representative sampling of diced bamboo shoots.
Moisture and texture confirm readiness for global markets. Appearance matters as much as performance. Refined bamboo salt is verified for mineral balance and purity. Consistency is measured down to the grain. Safety testing protects every consumer. Only verified batches move forward. Quality confirmed, the final stage begins. Packaging locks freshness into diced bamboo shoots.
Refined bamboo salt is sealed for purity and shelf life.
Secondary packaging prepares products for distribution. Stability matters from dock to destination. Export-ready loads leave on schedule. Storage keeps quality consistent until shipment. Storage keeps quality consistent until shipment.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.